Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rob Gegner with the Scopemobile, and today we are at the airplane graveyard, or the Boneyard as they call it. We're in Tucson, Arizona, and behind me you will see hundreds upon hundreds of out-of-use, defunct, dead airplanes from all over the place, from all countries, from the Navy, from the Army, from the Air Force, obviously. And this is a really cool site. It's actually a part of the Air and Space Museum in Pima here in Tucson. So a fun fact about this place, that actually the movie Transformers 2 was filmed here, right here. I actually haven't seen that movie, but now that I know that fun fact, I will have to check that out and be like, oh my god, I was there. So this is the Boneyard, the graveyard, where all good airplanes go to die. So this has been the Scopemobile, guys. We are on an epic road trip adventure all over the country, meeting people, hanging out, and going to cool places like this. So our next stop is, we will be in Las Cruces, New Mexico by the end of the night, and then we're heading to Austin, Texas. So you never know where our travels will take us. So if you are ever in wherever we are right now, if you are ever in Tucson, Arizona, make sure you stop by the Air and Space Museum in Pima and check out the Boneyard, the graveyard of forgotten airplanes. All right, guys, this is Rob Gegner with the Scopemobile. I love you. Take it easy, and we will see you on the road. And look, I'm wearing my airplane airplane shirt. Top Gun, everybody. I'll see you guys later. Take it easy.